it's me again, Teacher Paul. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss farm animals. Again, farm animals. Everybody, please repeat after me. Farm animals. Okay, very good. Now, let's proceed to our vocabulary words. Okay, the first vocabulary word, pig. Pig. Can you say it? Very good. Next is cow. Cow. Can you say it? Very good. Next is duck. Duck. Good job. Next is chicken. Chicken. Okay. Again. Please say it. Okay, very good. Next is sheep. Sheep. Can you say it? Okay, very good. Next is goat. Goat. Again. Very good. Next is horse. Horse. Again. Perfect. Next is donkey. Donkey. Again. Good job. Okay, next is chick. Chick. Again, please. Very good. Next is, okay, now let's proceed to our sentence structure. Okay. I will ask you the question, what animal is it? And you will answer me, it's a blank. It's a blank. Okay? Let's do the first example. The first example is, what animal is it? And you will say, or you will answer me, it's a chick. What animal is it? And you will answer me, it's a chick. Can you say it? Very good. Now next, the next sentence structure, what animal is it? And you will answer me, it's a pig. It's a pig. Can you say it? Very good. Next is, what animal is it? It's a cow. It's a cow. Can you say it? Very good. Next one, what animal is it? It's a goat. It's a goat. Can you say it? Very good. Next, what animal is it? And you will answer me, it's a horse. It's a horse. Can you say it? Good job. Next one, what animal is it? And you will answer me, it's a sheep. It's a sheep. Again, can you say it? Very good. Now, next one is, what animal is it? And you will answer me, it's a duck. It's a duck. Can you say it? Very good. Okay, so that's it for today. And thank you for watching. And hope to see you again on my next video. Good job.